Hey friends, this is Sean Washburn from YourExcelTutor.com, and you're watching 30 Tips in 30 Days. And this tip today is going to be about cell formatting. So we're just going to cover a couple quick things through these features right here. So the quickest way I found to format a cell is to right click, and you get the toolbar right up here that's got pretty much all the stuff you need. A lot of quick access things, and you can find, I would just take some time and look through there. That's usually going to have what you need to do your work. But just to touch on a couple things. One, I really love that as you scroll down here that it responsively updates what the text is going to look like. That's always been pretty cool. Wrapping text, so if you got text like this and you want it to still fit in this cell, you click wrap text, it's going to drop it down like that. Merge in center, so if I undo wrap text, I can also come across like this, and it'll automatically merge across these cells. These are nice here because you can move it up and down if you got more space. You can change how that appears. Lots of different ways you can make it look exactly how you want it. So one other thing we're going to touch on this a little bit more in the next video, but is the format type. So that's another option for if you got dates or numbers or things like that. So a lot of different things you can do with cell formatting, all mostly available right here in this, or you can also go to Format Cells and get a big dialog box like this. It has other features too. So check in tomorrow for another tip on Excel.